Nelson Mandela, Fight for Equality in South Africa. In 1948, South Africa was in distress and despair from racial discrimination and restrictions in their own country. But one person had beat the odds and had shown the world that the truth always wins and that justice will always be received. His name was Nelson Mandela, one of the great leaders of the anti-apartheid movement. But before I can tell you about Nelson Mandela and his contribution to South Africa, what is leadership and legacy? Leadership. Leadership is a characteristic of a person who has the ability to lead people and to make people believe and trust them. Legacy. Legacy is something that has happened or something that someone has done, which has left something or taught the people something that they still value and cherish. The apartheid and the anti-apartheid movement. In 1948, a system of racial segregation was enforced in South Africa through the legislation by the National Party government. It was called the apartheid. The word apartheid literally means separation or state of being apart. The system included not only discrimination of the Africans, but also of colored people who lived in South Africa at that time. Daily life during the apartheid in South Africa was very painful. The Africans couldn't move freely in their own country. They needed city passes to move around, and the majority of the places were reserved for the English. The Africans couldn't take it anymore and started the anti-apartheid movement in 1959. Many Africans had died during the anti-apartheid movement. Even the English, who had believed in equal rights and accepted the Africans as their own, helped in the anti-apartheid movement. Nelson Mandela was one of the most famous leaders who helped in the anti-apartheid movement. He led the Africans in the anti-apartheid movement through many techniques which were similar to that of Mahatma Gandhi during the Quit India movement. As Mahatma Gandhi had taught in the movement that we should not use violence and treat our enemies like our friends. Movements like the Satyagraha and the Ahimsa were all related to how Nelson Mandela had taught the Africans to protest. He had publicly burned his city pass, which allows him to come to the city, to show that he doesn't need anything to move around in his own country, and that he too deserves the same rights as the English. He had also told the Africans to silently protest on the roads and to not create ruckus or mayhem, which may cause them severe punishments. Nelson Mandela went to jail for about 3 decades because of his actions. Nelson Mandela had helped in the anti-apartheid ever since it started. Even though there were a lot of people who had greatly impacted the apartheid trying to stop it, Nelson Mandela had impacted it the most. But it wouldn't have been possible without other great leaders like Walter Sisulu and Helen Suzman. The apartheid had lasted until late 1994, and in that year Nelson became the first African president of South Africa. He did not show any grudge or anger towards the English, and had greeted and treated them like as nothing had happened. Nelson Mandela showed a lot of maturity. He left the past in the past and was focusing on the future. He left behind a meaningful legacy of showing how severe racial discrimination is. Since he had shown such good leadership, he had won many awards such as the Nobel Peace Prize, Bharat Ratna, etc. He had won more than 50 awards. He not only helped in the apartheid by helping in forming the ANC, but also had kept many campaigns which helped people with AIDS. Nelson Mandela is someone that we can never forget. He helped South Africa, and now South Africa is one of the leading mining and mineral processing countries. If he had not taken part in the anti-apartheid, we would not know what would be the condition of South Africa today.